Braiding garlic can be considered an art as well as a science. They are a way to beautifully display your garlic in the kitchen as well as preserve them for months. Braiding garlic works best using soft neck garlic varieties compared to hard neck garlic varieties that have very rigid stems, making them unsuitable for braids. Like any basic braid, you want to start with 3 strands. Twist the garlic around each other. And secure with twine. Be sure to spread out the leaves. Add another bulb to one side and make sure that its leaves are in the middle. Begin braiding by pulling the leaf on the opposite end of where you placed your newest bulb over and into the middle. So I placed my bulb on my left side, so I'm going to be pulling from the right. If I had placed it on the right side, I'd be pulling from the left. Repeat with the leaves on the opposite end. If you have more bulbs, you would add it on the opposite side and continue to repeat, alternating sides with each new bulb. When braiding, you want to be sure to braid very tightly. If, like me, you're braiding fresh green leaves, they'll loosen up as they dry. You can always tighten them again later, but it's easier if you make your first braid as tight as possible. Once you've finished braiding, tie the end with a knot. I will be using a rubber band. And there you have your garlic braid. Hang it in a dry spot at room temperature. I recommend the kitchen where it's easy to access when you need it.